Did you know most home cooks ruin chicken without even realizing it? The secret to juicy perfection isn't what you think. Let's uncover it. If you're pulling chicken straight from the fridge and tossing it in the pan, you're setting yourself up for dry, unevenly cooked meat. Cold chicken changes how heat flows. It cooks outside faster than in, making the center underdone while the edges are tough and chewy. Imagine cutting into your chicken only to find it raw inside, or worse, overcooked on the outside. That's what happens if you skip this step. The fix is simple. Take your chicken out, set it on the counter, and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before you start cooking. This little bit of patience lets the temperature even out, so every bite cooks at the same rate and stays tender and juicy. You'll notice a huge difference. Not only is your chicken safer to eat, but it's also bursting with flavor and moisture every single time. Try this secret next time and watch your chicken transform from bland and dry to restaurant-quality delicious. Your taste buds will thank you. Stop ruining your chicken. Now you know better. Like and follow Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets.